made mountings for the AWD TT rear subframe to bolt on. I've also made my own rose jointed tie rods. Yeah, we'll go up here. Now, I never wanted one of these aluminium tanks in the back of the car that you see a lot of people do. I wanted a tank in the right place behind a firewall. So that's been a bit of a pain. It's got the original Audi fuel pumps. Also changed it to AN lines. There's a Cytec fuel pump in there. The prop's been shortened and got that fitted. Also started making the exhaust. It's quite simple, not the best welder, as you can tell. All around here. See how nice the Audi TT trailing arms. Also got the handbrake working, and brake pipes are in. So I got tape holding some of this exhaust together. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Next job is to finish the exhaust and get it rolled back over and start on the engine. Got a standard BAM 225, which is over here. These are nice. She's under there somewhere. It's a real mess. All my cage is done.